Welcome to the IMRAN Academy. I am discussing with you General Mathematics Class 10 Punjab Textbook Board Lahore Chapter 1 Exercise 1.2. So let's start. Before going to the exercise, let me discuss some formulas. Number 1. The first formula is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 times a square plus b square. Let's prove this formula. Taking left hand side, this formula can be expanded at a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. These factors cancels out. A square plus a square becomes 2a square. B square plus b square becomes 2b square. Now 2 can be taken as a common factor. And this is exactly what is the right hand side. Hence proved. That a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals 2 times a square plus b square. Number 2. Formula number 2. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equals 4ab. Let's take left hand side, LHS. Left hand side, and let's expand this one as well. A plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. a minus b whole square becomes a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. Now some cancellations can be made here. Minus a square plus a square cancels out. Minus b square plus b square cancels out. And what is left is just 2ab plus 2ab, 4ab, which is the right hand side. So we can say that hence proved. That a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. So these are the two formulas. Let's apply them in solving some problems and see how can we move forward. Here I have example 1. Find the value of a square plus b square when a plus b equals 8 and ab equals 12. Solution. Now here I can just apply the formula. If I just take the square of both sides, squaring both sides, which can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. 8 square is 64. A square plus 2 and AB equals 12, which is given. (24). And this is the answer that we were looking for. Let's try another one, another example. Example number 2. Find the value of AB when A plus B equals 9 and A minus B equals 3. Solution. We will apply the formula. a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equals 4 times ab, as we know that this thing equals this thing. So just apply the values. A plus b equals 9, a minus b equals 3, nine square is 81, 3 square is 9, 81 minus 9 is like 72, and take this 4 towards the other side as well and do the cancellations. So the final answer that we get is this. Let's move to the other formula. Formula number 3. A plus b plus c whole square equals a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Proof. Taking left hand side, a plus b plus c whole square. Let p equals a plus b. So this thing becomes p plus c whole square. It can be expanded as p square plus 2cp plus c square. Now we can just replace the value of p as ab, a plus b. P, I have replaced p with a plus b. And try to expand this formula again. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Just multiply these two terms. 2ca plus 2bc plus c square, and just arranging the terms. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is the right hand side. Hence proved that a plus b plus c whole square equals a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And let's do some example problems as well. Example 3. Find the value of a square plus b square plus c square when a plus b plus c equals 12 and ab plus bc plus ca equals 8. Let's solve this one. We have here a plus b plus c equals 12, squaring both sides. Becomes a plus b plus c whole square, 12 squared, becomes a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and 12 square is 144. Now here I can just take 2 as a common factor from these 3 terms and do the rest on the next page. A square plus b square plus c square 2 times ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 144. Just applying the values. Here ab plus bc plus ca is given as 8 in the question. Let's try another example. Here again we want to find the value of a plus b plus c. As we know, a plus b plus c whole square equals a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here we can just apply the values. A square plus b square plus c square taking 2 as a common factor, and now putting the values. A square plus b square plus c square is given as 100, and ab plus bc plus ca is given as 22. And it becomes 144. Here we have, remember, we have a plus b plus c whole square, and this term is unchanged throughout. Now we can just take the square root of both sides. So this example problem is also solved. Let's try another one. There are actually a lot of example problems before the exercise starts. So let's go to the next one quickly. Here, okay. Okay, I can use this one. So I have another example, which is 5. It says find the value of AB plus BC plus CA when A square plus B square plus C square equals 36 and A plus B plus C equals 8. So let's solve this one. As we know, A plus B plus C is equal to 8, squaring both sides. So it becomes A plus B plus C whole square, 8 square. Just expanding the formula, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA equals 64. Now I can just apply the values. A square plus B square plus C square is given as 36, and this is what we are looking for. Okay. What is left in this scenario? 8 into 28. this is the answer to this problem. Let's move to the next formulas. Formula number 4, cubic formula. A plus B whole cube equals A cube plus 3AB into A plus B cube. Proof left hand side. We can write it as, I've taken 1 power here and 2 here, just expanding this. And now multiplying. When this A is multiplied with these 3 terms, these terms become A power 3 plus 2A square B plus AB. When this B is multiplied by, when these 3 terms are multiplied by B, these become A square B plus 2AB square plus B cube. Just arranging the terms. A cube. Now we can combine these terms. 2A square B plus A square B becomes 3A square B, and 2AB square and 1AB square becomes 3AB square plus B cube. Now I can take 3AB as a common factor from these 2 terms, and this is what we were looking for, which is the right hand side. Hence proved. That A plus B whole cube equals A cube plus 3AB into A plus B cube. Now we move to next formula, that is formula number 5. Pretty much the same technique. Left hand side. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Let's multiply. When A is multiplied with all these 3 terms, these terms will become like this. When minus B is multiplied with these terms will become like this. Again, combining the terms, minus 2A square B minus 1A square B becomes minus 3A square B. Similarly, 2ab square and 1ab square becomes 3ab square. Now again I can take minus 3ab as a common factor, and this is what is left in these two terms, and this is the right hand side of the formula. Hence proved. That a minus b whole cube equals a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube, and this is formula number 5, and two more formulas before we can move forward. Formula number 6, a cube plus b cube equals a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. In this case, we will take right hand side. Let's try to prove this one. When a is multiplied with all these terms, I get a cube minus a square b plus ab square. When b is multiplied with these three terms, these becomes a square b minus ab square plus b cube. Now you can see that we can just cancel these terms. Minus a square b plus a square b will cancel out, and ab square and minus ab square will cancel out, and we will have these two terms, the remaining ones, which happens to be the right hand side. Hence proved. That a cube plus b cube equals a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Formula number 7, a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Taking right hand side again, and multiplying. When a is multiplied, it becomes a cube plus a square b plus ab square. And minus b is multiplied with all these terms, these become a square b minus ab square minus b cube. Now I can just cancel the terms which need to be cancelled. This term will cancel with this one, and this with this one, and what is left, a cube minus b cube, which is the left hand side. Hence proved. that a cube minus b cube equals a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So we have completed all the formulas, and now we can just solve some more problems. Example 6. Find the value of x cube plus y cube when xy equals 8 and x plus y equals 5. Solution: x plus y equals 5, taking cube on both sides. X plus 5 cube, 5 cube. Just applying the formula. Sorry, x plus y cube. It becomes x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube, and 5 cube is 125. So x cube plus 3 and xy is equal to 8 and x plus y equals 5. This is the answer. Example number 7. Find the value of a cube minus b cube when a minus b is 6 and ab is equal to 7. Solution: here we have a minus b equals 6, taking cube on both sides. So a minus b raised to power 3, 6 raised to power 3, a cube minus 3ab into a minus b plus minus b cube, and 6 raised to power 3 is 116. Just applying the values that we have. AB is equal to 7 and a minus b equals 6. So it becomes, after multiplying these terms, So a cube minus b cube is equal to 216 minus 126 plus 126, and it becomes 342, which is the answer. Let's move to the next question. Example. Before solving the exercise, I wanted to go through the prerequisite stuff. So that's why I've explained all the formulas and example problem as well. Resolve into factors. X cube p square minus 8 y cube p square minus 4x cube q square plus 32y cube q square. X cube b square, just combining the terms. If we take p square as a common factor from here, what we get is this. And from here 4 can be taken as a common factor and q square can also be taken as a common factor, and what is left is x cube minus 8y cube. Now it can be written as x cube minus 8y cube and p square minus 4q square. Here again we can just apply the formula. Here we can apply the cubic formula, and here we can write as p square minus 2q square, and it will become x minus 2y first term square plus first term into second term plus second terms square. And here we can just apply the formula of writing the terms with a plus sign between and with the negative sign between. So it becomes and that is it. This is the answer. The next question is example number 9. Factorize 64x power 6 minus 729y power 6. It can be written as 2x raised to power 6 and 3y raised to power 6, and here 2x raised to power 3 square and 3y raised to power 3 squared. Here we can write these terms with a plus sign and with a minus sign like this, and then just apply the cubic formula. 2x plus 3y and first term square minus first term into second term plus second term square. And here again first term into second term, first term square plus first term into second term plus second term's square, and just simplifying 4x square 6xy plus 9y square, 2x minus 3y 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square, and this is the answer. Only 2 examples left. Example 10. Resolve into factors x plus y cube plus 64. Solution: x plus y cube plus 64 can be written as just applying the formula of cubes, first term into second term, square of the first term minus first term into second term plus square of the second term. X square plus 2xy plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 16. And this is the answer. And last example. Find the continued product for x cube minus x power 6 minus y power 6. So let's do it. It can be written as applying the square formula. This formula says a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b, and just applying the cubic formulas here. And just arranging the terms, nothing else. And that's it. So I have completed all the examples and all the formulas and their proofs for today's lecture, and inshallah in the next lecture I'll start the exercise. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe the Imran Academy for more lectures in the future. Thanks for watching. Till the next lecture, it's goodbye.